lot of parrots here. This couple year parrot coming back. Here in California, parrot coming back every year. See, a lot. It's a couple thousand parrots coming back. Here, a couple right there, I see. They don't care what we do. It's called redhead parrot. See, very smart parrot right there. Couple up there. There's the fly away. What? Whoa. Oh yeah, nice parrots. I got a couple years ago. They have the last baby here. Every morning they come here and then they come back afternoon at night. Yep. Couple here right there too. Alright, every morning I walk here around 10 at 9 o'clock. You see they come and then they left. Oh, almost a couple thousand, 100,000 parrot here every day. Here they come and eat very close. Look right there, whole bunch of them. See, very close, right there. They don't afraid of people. Look and see what they eat. See, very close. Let's see what they eat. Smart parrot though. Okay, so what you guys eating? Huh? Good? I don't want to come too close. You're not far away. Look how close the house is. chuchubi. Oh, I see. That's a chuchubi. Oh, you ate my chuchubi right there, open. Let's see the chuchubi. How good is this? Oh, they come and eat chuchubi. That's why. Hanto. That's a sow baby. Hey, the parrot come back, huh? Long time, they're not come back.